Okay, we want to tell.
We're very chatty today.
Very chatty, very chatty. We haven't done this in a while, so we're catching up.
Catching up.
First of all, like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you leave comments or questions, we'll answer them. Okay, so we want to tell you about a deal that closed in Kansas City.
Yeah, Kansas City.
Kansas City. I do a bunch in Kansas City. So this was a real estate investor who owned a bunch of properties, and we did a blanket loan on
It was two properties with several parcels.
Two
in there,
properties.
So they had several buildings within the property address.
The way we structure is a little unusual. We gave them some cash up front, and then we gave them sort of a line of credit, which we generally don't do.
Well, because the properties were free and clear.
Yes, and they wanted money to buy other properties.
Right.
So we originally lent the money.
We gave them a certain amount
up front, and
we
then
held back the rest.
And then they bought two other properties.
Yes, and then we dispersed out money as they bought other properties. So it was like a very easy situation. The money came from us, went right to the title agent, bought the next property. The money came from us. It's very simple.
Very impressive borrower.
Yes.
It was actually, I think it was a husband and ex.
They're business partners at this point.
Business partners, but I think they were married at one point. And now, I don't know if they're separated or divorced, but whatever.
Who cares about that?
Do you know why they got divorced? Curious, just want to hear some gossip. No, I'm joking around. They're not, it's sad, but they're not romantically.
But business-wise, they're still together.
Yes, okay, let's move beyond this, because I have a few things that'll say I'll get me in trouble.
You're already in trouble, by the way.
They're partners, very impressive. They buy properties in Kansas very cheap.
It's a different type of, I mean, it's a Kansas City market, which is like the property
Good
values.
rents, very impressive, highly experienced.
Yeah.
The credit was not the best. They couldn't go to another lender.
And they did try.
They tried. They had a hard time going with another lender. But we did it. We liked them. We believed in the story. We love working with real estate investors. These people are very experienced, very on the ball. I personally spoke to them. Marcy spoke to them a million times.
Yeah.
They were on the ball. Their model is to buy properties and to lease them out, which they have a bunch of properties that they do. For whatever reason, their documentation is in order. Their credit's not the best. So they came to us. We were thrilled to provide them the capital they needed to refinance this property and to buy other two properties. You know, it's the truth, Marcia. We could say it was on these two, but we could also say we had it was four properties. It all depends the way you look at it. Both are correct.
Like timing though, because like they knew they wanted to invest in other properties, but they didn't.
Yes, but it was really four properties, a blanket, all in that market. They knew the market. And again, no appraisals, no environmentals, really no nothing. We do inspections of properties, which takes a couple of days. They just go and take pictures, make sure
it's there.
It's there. Yeah. No real income verification. We did it based on the income of the property and the proposed income, because the ones they were buying didn't have any income either. Proposed. And this is what we do all day long. We love working with real estate investors. We're not selling the loans to the secondary market. These were the two that they bought were single family homes.
They got very inexpensively, and they're gonna rent out. And again, their profit margin was amazing.
There are so many people in this country who are very well connected in their own communities. I'm always amazed how they get these deals, that they're buying them so cheap. They're just connected in their community. They know the right players and they get referrals, and we're thrilled to provide the financing for them. And we do this all the time. We work with real estate investors all the time. Again, very quick approvals. If you call Marcy or send her an email, usually within 10 minutes, 5 minutes, she'll tell you if we can do the deal. She'll quote it out, tell you the loan amount, all that stuff. We follow up with the term sheet. As soon as we get the signed term sheet, Marcy and her team will get it to closing. Close it a week, 10 days, depending. The biggest hurdle is title. We have another two properties in Philadelphia. We're waiting for the title report.
It just depends. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Sometimes we get it back fast. Sometimes it takes 10 days.
But we can move very quick. Oh, this deal came from a broker who was very instrumental in getting the deal closed and earn his fee. A lot of our deals come from brokers. We love brokers. What else did I miss?
Nothing. That's it. It was just, again, the American entrepreneur dream, because we were able to, they had properties that were producing income, and now they have more properties that are producing income. So.
Okay, think of Gelt Financial. for your non-bank real estate investment and commercial property needs. We do single family ones 1 to 4 as well. A lot of people don't know that. Check us out at geltfinancial.com. Call us at 561-221-0900. We'd love to do deals with you.
Take
Thank you. Have a
care.
great day.